To set up Afterpay Autopay, follow these simple steps. First, log into your Afterpay account. This can be done through the website or mobile app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings or Account menu, where you will find the payment options. Select the payment method you wish to use for Autopay. This can be a credit or debit card, or a bank account. Ensure that the payment method you choose is valid and has sufficient funds to cover your Afterpay payments. Next, enable Autopay by toggling the switch or checking the box next to the Autopay option. You will then be prompted to confirm your payment method and agree to the terms and conditions. After confirming, your Autopay setup is complete and your Afterpay payments will be automatically deducted from your chosen payment method on the due date. It is essential to regularly review your payment method and ensure it remains valid to avoid any missed payments. Additionally, you can also set up multiple payment schedules and manage your upcoming payments through the Afterpay account dashboard. This allows you to stay on top of your payments and make any necessary adjustments. It is also important to note that you can cancel or modify your Autopay setup at any time, giving you full control over your payments. By following these steps, you can easily set up Afterpay Autopay and enjoy a hassle-free payment experience. Remember to always review the terms and conditions and ensure you understand the payment schedule and any applicable fees. By doing so, you can make the most out of the Afterpay Autopay feature and manage your payments efficiently.